heavy-duty vinyl tarp does more than cover fields, work sites, or products. Your tarps cover your investment, and a torn tarp puts that investment at risk. Patching torn tarps on site is easy with the right glue. Here's how to get back to work with peace of mind using the industry's best tarp adhesive. HH66 is the only adhesive recommended by the Advanced Textiles Association for tarp repair. It isn't made for polyethylene or nylon, those cheap blue tarps or clear sheets you see in stores. But if you're patching a professional vinyl tarp, like an athletic field or worksite covers, there's no stronger way to get your tarps back to full coverage. The first step is prep. Lay your tarp flat if you can. Cut a patch that covers your tear with about 2 inches of room on every side, and round the corners so they won't catch. Use a rag and some HH66 thinner to clean both your patch and your torn tarp for good adhesion. Now you're ready to apply. Spread HH66 on both your patch and your torn tarp. We recommend about an ounce of glue for every square foot you'll be patching. You want full coverage, but it doesn't have to be thick. When you've spread the glue, let everything sit for between 2 and 5 minutes so the glue can go from smooth to tacky. Now, attach your patch. Apply firm pressure on every part of the patch, or press evenly with a roller if you've got one. HH66 dries in about an hour, but it doesn't reach full strength for 24 hours. At that point, you'll have a bond that's waterproof, holds in extreme temperatures, and is stronger than the vinyl tarp itself. And that's how 5 minutes with the right glue gets your tarps back to work and gives you peace of mind.